Welcome, people.
to
It is Mallison.
You're about to get the live fireworks on Mallison. Yeah. All right. Watch out. Woo! That scared me a little bit.
That's on the parachute?
Yeah, where's the parachute? No! It's not over here. Hold on. Look for the parachute. Okay,
Well, we have lost a parachute. What you guys looking for?
parachute. Watch out.
Parachute.
Alright, come on. Alright, we need to talk to our viewers. Anyway, y'all know, so what you just saw here is some fireworks. Not even 4th of July yet. Hey, but we do what we want because we can't get arrested. Trust me, I'm not the brain, so.
I'm the brain.
She's
and
the brains.
beauty.
But I'm beauty, just beauty. She's brains.
And beauty.
I'm just a dumb blonde. Back up! Got more fireworks! Boom.
No, don't do that. Don't block the beauty.
Is this hot or not?
I know who's not. We're gonna be doing those all the way over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y'all better watch out!
Hey, another firework. Let's do this. This is gonna be really
This is color
weird
ball.
video.
Right now, we're about to have the best of them all. Well, maybe not.
Really, not yet. That comes last.
Say hi to our people? You say hi?
To our Mallison people,
Say hi, Mallison. Hi. What's up?
Preston.
What's up?
Do you want to switch with me?
Hold on. Yeah, get her.
You
I got it.
switch.
Oh, it's getting me. There you go. Ours tipped over last night. Yeah. Kinsey, you want to pick? Kinsey, you want to pick one?
Ooh, we're here again. Kill a bug. I won't. Ooh, let's go pick a firework.
Oh, can you light one and throw it?
Oh, I've done that before.
Oh. Wait, hold on. That's good.
She's gonna do it. Throw it, Mackenzie.
Woo! In the grass. But I did it, Mike. Here. Stand right here, okay? Come in there, okay? Woo! Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna film it while Allison does hers.
Okay.
Watch out.
Watch out, Mike. Come here. Yeah. He's gonna light it and throw it.
Preston, run in front of everybody. You're not gonna throw one.
Yay!
Mackenzie, get it!
Oh!
What? Let's see this. That's mine.
Did it go
What
out?
was it?
I think it went out.
Mine wasn't done. That was so sad. Mackenzie, what? Mackenzie, look at the camera.
Fixing to do my firework. Now I'm a little scared because I burnt myself. But I'm okay. Hey, Maya.
Look at
You
that.
want this one to be yours? Put it on the
Shining
ground and
bright
light
like a
it for you. Stand right
diamond.
here. Dad's gonna light it for you, okay? This one's yours, okay? Stay back over here.
Oh, that's good.
This is yours, Maya. Stay right here.
Whoa,
Look at
girl.
yours.
Whoa, girl. It's
Look
like
at
Panic
yours.
at the Disco. That's
It's
really,
colorful.
that is like so bright.
Maya's done
So
her
bright.
second, third, fourth firework. Can you say hello, Maya?
Bright.
Gizzy, go pick
What?
one. Go pick one. Okay. You got this.
Look at that fire.
Don't pick none of these.
There's like white spots in my vision.
Don't pick none of those.
Ooh. Okay.
You
Fireworks.
these two.
What's a pyro fan?
There you go.
That one.
That's one we just shot the first time.
Oh. This one.
Okay. He
That-
tells me to pick any of them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Any ones with those.
Yeah, don't pick that one. Hey, I have a question. Are these dangerous?
What are those?
They're ground blasters.
Probably so.
So you can't light them and I throw them?
Yeah, I can do it.
Yes!
Firework safety.
We have none. We have none! I think I need some ice for that burn.
Sizzle.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we might not be doing a bunch of singing videos, but we will be doing a bunch
Oh,
of...
this is upside down.
we will be doing a bunch of these type of videos.
Look at my legs. Ow.
Please subscribe. Ooh. Firework.
Let's do this.
Baby, you're a firework. Come on, build me. No, that scared me. I didn't know it was going to scream.
Goodbye,
We
people.
should have done that last.
That was the last one.
No.
No, well, it wasn't
it
the
going.
last. No, it's gonna take forever.
It's fine. You want to pick one?
What?
You want to pick one?
Yes.
Do you want that on film?
Hmm.
You can't pick any of these.
Not many choices.
Can we do this one?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yes, I got you, Mackenzie.
Woo! Yes, you're amazing. I'm so excited I'll run into the door. No,
Two time.
2 times.
Dose. Dose time.
Okay. We're all good.
There you go.
You're gonna like break the door.
I'm scared.
Throw them out that window. They clean.
Which way?
I'm gonna take one of these.
so what
These
they do,
look
they-
delicious. Don't eat them though.
Oh, okay.
They look like weird Hershey Kisses. Like, no.
It scared me.
Whoa.
Scared me really bad.
That's loud.
That was cool.
Oh my god, can I do it? Mackenzie, take this.
Hi, Mouse and viewers. Let's get an insight from our firework guy tonight. So, would you call yourself the top firework guy? Yeah. Okie doke.
It worked this time.
Oh shit! I'm gonna get another one.
Yay.
Alright, Maya, this one will be yours, okay?
Good fire. Oh, look at that. That was beautiful.
Let Maya do
Snap,
hers.
crackle, pop.
Alright, Maya, this one's yours, okay? Where? Do it right here. Maya, back up some. That one's yours, okay? That's one light yours for you.
After this one,
don't
it's
like
like
it, run.
done because this is going to take forever to upload. Do this. Everybody back up.
Woo, Connie, you got that snap, didn't you? No!
It's gonna light on fire. It didn't light on fire. Okay, well, goodbye. This is Mouse and signing out. Sizzle.